Good morning. I look a little crusty right now because I just woke up and I'm about to wash my hair. But I wanted to wash my hair with some new products I got over the weekend by MONAT, I'm guessing. This brand has been around on social media a lot, actually. So I did get some products thanks to my cousin, actually. So here's two freebies I got: the Advanced Hydrating Conditioner and the shampoo. So trial sizes. And what I actually ordered was the Soothing Micellar shampoo for delicate hair and sensitive scalp, and the Restore Leave-In Conditioner for dry, medium to thick hair. This is 4.5 fluid ounces and the shampoo is 8 fluid ounces. And then as a little freebie, I got the Replenish Masque, and that's 2 ounces. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I'm all moisturized and stuff like that now. So before I get ready, I'm gonna put in the leave-in conditioner because I like to put the leave-in conditioner. My hair is as sopping wet as it is right now because my hair is low porosity. So when I usually put my leave-in conditioner in the shower, actually. But I'm gonna put this leave-in conditioner and then put a shower cap on, and then I'll finish getting ready so I can like produce heat and stuff like that. Anyways, while I'm putting in this leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna talk about the shampoo and deep conditioner that I just used. So here's this. I'm gonna put about, let's see how much comes out, and then I'll tell you how many pumps I'm gonna do for each section. Oh, okay, that was it for one pump. So I'm gonna do like 5 for the back sections and then 6 for the front sections. Okay, so the first product I used was the shampoo, obviously. It doesn't have a scent that much, which I was actually kind of surprised about. This one has the same, leave-in has the same scent as the deep conditioner, but the shampoo, I'm putting 2 more pumps. 5 pumps is not enough. But the deep conditioner, the shampoo has like no smell. And show you what this looks like. Shampoos don't really, my hair didn't feel super dry. It didn't feel stripped after I used that shampoo. And I don't think this is a sulfate-free shampoo, so that's pretty surprising. If I use a sulfate shampoo, usually my hair feels stripped, which is what I want. I have nothing against that, but I was surprised that the shampoo didn't strip my hair. Other than that, I'm using gloves to wash my hair, so I can't really feel like moisture level or anything like that, or how my hair actually reacts to anything. But I can tell when I have gloves on, because I've been doing it for so many years, when my hair feels stripped from shampoo, which is kind of weird to say, but whatever. So that's it for the shampoo. It did actually come with a pump. It had a cap before, like a squeeze cap, but they set a pump as well, which was really cool because I don't like using a squeeze bottle for my shampoos. It comes out so much easier with the pump. Moving forward to the this little trial Replenish Masque. The mask is pretty pricey online, so that's why I didn't get it. It was in my cart, but I told her to take it out. So, but you only leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, which is perfect because I don't like leaving my deep conditioners. I don't like having to come out the shower to let my deep conditioner sit and all that stuff. Like, I like to have it in the shower where I can finger detangle and then like kind of wash my body, and by the time I'm done doing that, I want to rinse out my conditioner and be done. I don't want to have to go back in the shower and re-wet my body and re-rinse my hair. That's what I'm trying to say. This has pretty good slip. The deep conditioner had really good slip. I was able to finger detangle with no issue at all. These smell like lotion. They don't even smell like hair products, to be honest, but it's whatever. Also, these are all shea butter free. Obviously I wouldn't be using them if they had shea butter in it, so that's given. But yeah, I just want to point that out. But yeah, that deep conditioner, when I rinsed it out, so I rinsed it out after I washed my face, and at this time I already didn't have, I already took my gloves off to like wash my face and stuff. So I was able to feel how my hair felt after I rinsed out. So I'm like looking at my hair in my phone instead of looking at the camera. But anyways. I was able to feel how my hair felt after I rinsed out the conditioner, and it felt so like smooth and so soft. I was very surprised. It didn't give, like some conditioners clump my curls, and that did not clump my curls. And I'm seeing that this isn't really clumping. I mean, it is a little bit, but not nearly as much as a heavier product. These are pretty light. These are light in consistency. Yeah, I really do. I'm liking them so far. The shampoo did what it is supposed to do. Wash your hair and wash your scalp. I feel no irritation because my scalp is very, very, very sensitive. So I have no irritation for the shampoo or for the conditioner or for this leave-in so far. So I don't think there's anything else I want to mention. I probably will be getting a big bottle of the deep conditioner, to be honest, because it was really it made my hair feel really, really nice. And I'm only leaving it in for 5 minutes, so that's also a plus. But anyways, all right, so I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for well, I'm gonna let it sit in under the cap for however long it takes for me to find an outfit and get dressed and stuff like that, and do my makeup, blah blah. I'm gonna do whatever. I'll be back soon to add my gel, because literally all my wash and goes are only leave-ins and gels, so I'm gonna come back for that. So I'm gonna put the gel in my hair. I'm using the Wet Line Extreme gel, and I apologize for the ring light in my glasses. I can't exactly just, I guess if I keep my head like this or something, but yeah, you're gonna see that in my glasses. But anyways, my hair has been, had the leave-in in my hair for about, I wanna say over 10 minutes as I got ready. So that's been sitting in my hair. My hair does feel kind of nice and warm now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply the gel. Literally my wash and goes are literally all the same in the way that I applied my gel. So I'm just gonna speed through this part of the video. So I'm gonna come back and give you guys the dry results. This is how my hair is actually looking. My hair is like insanely soft right now. I just have, of course, it has a gel cast because of my gel, but the leave-ins that I use underneath my gel does make a difference in how my hair feels in the end. So my hair feels really nice and soft. Has a hold, has a nice hold, obviously it's a gel, but it still feels very soft and like, this feels so soft. It feels really soft. I'm not gonna stretch my hair out with the blow dryer. I'm gonna stretch it out tonight after, like when I go to sleep with some hair ties or whatever. But I'm just gonna show you this right now because I'm probably not gonna remember to record in the morning. When I take my, I don't even know if I'm gonna stretch my hair out, to be honest, because I'm kind of liking this, this shrunken look right now. But yeah, let's give you more, look how juicy my curls are. Some leave-ins don't give me as much shine as this even, so yeah, all in all, I do really like all the products I used, and I can't wait to try them, keep them in my, you know, weekly routines. Definitely that deep conditioner was definitely a nice product, and the leave-in is really good too. The shampoo, I mean, I don't really, as long as the shampoo isn't stripping my hair, I pretty much like it. So I already don't have that much to say about that. I do like that all the products have very light fragrances and they are very light in consistency as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.